We have this little cottage in our yard that's almost 200 years old. It was moved here to our property a very long time ago, and for years we've talked about how nice it would be to bring it back into use. Although there's definitely a lot of work to do here. Today we're starting one of the bigger projects in opening up these walls because we'd love to reveal the old log surface underneath, and honestly, we're not completely sure what we're going to find. I'm so happy we found such a beautiful old log wall underneath all of this. There are also some very old electrical wires in the cottage, so those definitely need to be replaced to make everything safe again. Luckily, there's still a working fireplace and a traditional wood burning oven here, so we can at least stay warm even though we can't really use the electricity right now. Living and renovating here without electricity for a while has really made us realize how many everyday things still need power. We've been using this portable power station from BLUETTI, and it's quietly become part of our days here. It keeps our tools going, charges our cameras and phones, and makes it possible to keep working without interruption. I'll tell you more about that later. There were layers and layers of old wallpaper here, and a lot of it was already falling apart. I do want to add wallpaper here again one day, but not yet. We painted the walls in my favorite shade, forest green, and chose a warm beige color for the floor. We've even been able to run a small fridge, so we can keep food fresh during long renovation days. But what I love most is how it allows us to create a soft, warm atmosphere, even in the middle of a renovation. A little light can change everything. Here in the Nordics, many cabins don't have electricity, or only have it part of the time. And moments like this made me realize how useful something like this can be. We already had this old wooden shelf in storage, and since there are no kitchen cabinets here, it ended up fitting perfectly. Dennis stayed here to put the bed together, and I went to the store to get more food for us, and a few cozy snacks for the evening. I found some white geraniums at the store too, which are one of my favorite flowers. Some people think they're a bit old-fashioned, but maybe I am too. I don't think I fully realize how many everyday things still need electricity. Even though we try to live quite simply here, there are still some things I'm not willing to give up. Because of work and the children, we need to keep our phones charged, and I still want to keep our food cold. The renovation has also brought extra needs, since we constantly have tools and batteries to charge. The old wood-burning oven is still waiting to be checked by a chimney sweep, so for now I'm still making coffee with electricity. And honestly, during summer, using the oven heats up the cottage so much anyway. So I know the BLUETTI will stay in a lot of use here with us. If you'd like to learn more about the BLUETTI Elite 300, I'll leave more information in the description below. They also have different sizes available depending on your needs and how you want to use them. Thank you so much for spending this slow renovation day with us. And I'll see you again very soon in the next video, where we continue bringing this old cottage back to life. Now we're heading to a local antique market to see if we can find a few treasures for the cottage. See you again soon.